Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. You have noticed that on your bank reconciliation, there is a check that is stale dated, and you want to replace the check for your supplier. This video will give you a quick and simple way to enter that stale dated check and replace it for your supplier. The demonstration will be on Sage 50, but the concept can be applied to any system that you are using. You've completed your bank reconciliation and you've noticed that there's a stale dated check for a supplier. You want to replace that check, so what we're going to do is enter a purchase for that supplier, and we're going to go in, and the supplier is Sample Corporation, and the reference number will be check number 7854 replace with a date of May 1st. Then in your item description field, you can put a detailed description of the check details for your reference. And then we want to ensure that the taxes are overridden. You don't want any taxes involved in this entry. And the check amount was $1,000. So we'll enter $1,000 and we're coding it to our bank account. After doing this, we'll display what this entry does. It's debiting your bank, putting the money back in for $1,000, and crediting accounts payable, increasing it by $1,000. So we'll go ahead and post that entry and close that out. Then you would be able to go in and do a payment to replace that check. So we'll go in and do the supplier's Sample Corporation and the next default check number and the date, and we'll select that invoice for $1,000 and we'll print and post that check. I'll show you, okay, so it's going to debit, reduce accounts payable, and credit and reduce your checking account. So we'll close that out. You can print and post that entry. And that is the quick and simple way of replacing a stale dated check in your accounting system. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.